Hello everyone, my name is Aneeshwar, 7 years old, from Warrington. I just love nature journaling.
Wow! This is my nature journal. I'm learning more about the wildlife with my nature journals. We get to observe the animals closer, and if you draw it, you can understand more details.
I got into nature journaling by just painting other people's drawings, and that's how I got into nature journaling. Look what I did. I finished my daffodil picture. My favourite entry in my nature journal, I would say the peregrine falcon, because it's the fastest bird on earth, and it's also my favourite animal.